Small creators, YouTube has made it 10 times easier for us to grow. With this new analytics update, you can now know exactly what is working on your channel, from the type of content to post to how often you should post your short. And if you're already monetized, YouTube is now helping you to make more money from their YouTube affiliate program. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this new analytics update works, how you can be able to know the best content that is performing best in your channel, and how often you can be able to post your short for you to gain views, and how you can take advantage of this YouTube affiliate program. So if this is what you are interested on, please watch this video till the end. Hi beautiful people, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. Here we make video on tutorial on how to grow on YouTube channel. So if this is what you're interested on, please hit the subscribe button. And if you are new here, you're welcome. Like, share, and turn the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. First update is that you can now know the difference between the new viewer, casual viewer, and the regular viewer. So if you're a small creator, this is a game changer for you. Sometimes the reason why our account stays stagnant for a long period of time is that our video keep on hitting the same kind of people over and over again. That's why we gain the same views without no subscribers. But now we can be able to know the people, the regular people that always watch our video, and the people that walk past our video, that will just watch and walk out. This helps you to understand two important things: what type of content that keeps people coming back to your channel, and what type of content that people watch and never click on the subscribe button. Your YouTube desktop version, click on analytics, click on audience. Then you come over right here, you will see popular with different audience. You will see new, casual, and regular. New means that these people did not subscribe to your channel, but they watched your video. Another one is casual. Casual means that they watch your video once in a while. And regular means that these people always come back to your video anytime you posted a video. So after that, click under it, you will see more. Click on it, you will see all the videos your new viewers are watching. What you have to do is to copy it and paste it on ChatGPT and tell that ChatGPT, this is the title of the video my new viewers are watching on my channel. I want to make similar video based on this title. Now we are trying to turn our new viewers to our regular viewers and as well retain our regular viewers. You can as well give ChatGPT the casual and regular, so that when it's giving you topic, he will basically give you topic based on what you want. As a small creator, this helps you to stop guessing. You can now make content that will turn your new and casual viewer into a regular viewer, because this is how we grow. This is how we gain our watch hour, boost engagement, and eventually monetize our channel fast. So don't ignore this data. And the second update is that YouTube has added AI tools like Dream Screen and VEO. That means you can now create an amazing visual just by typing. No more editing stress. You can now turn your picture into a video in the YouTube platform, or you can as well make use of their background. Let's watch the video.
Introducing new generative effects. Using these effects, you can bring your selfies to life in the Shorts camera. You can try out these new effects while creating a short by tapping the effects icon. In the effects panel, choose from any of our new VEO-powered effects. After selecting which effect you want to use, tap the record button when you're ready. The camera will then take a photo. VEO will create a video using that photo. If you're happy with the result, tap Next. We're also introducing generative drawing effects.
So this is perfect. If you're not a pro on editing, you will still get an amazing videos that you can post as shorts. Another one is Google Lens integration. What this does is that if you show a product or a location, a viewer can just search directly just by typing, and this is super helpful if you are into affiliate products review. And here is the sweetest part of this update. Super Thanks has been added to YouTube Shorts. You can now make money even without YouTube ads. Viewers can now subscribe to your membership through your shorts. So YouTube has given creators so many opportunities to make money on YouTube without even YouTube without even YouTube ads. So YouTube is now finally giving small creators chance to grow on YouTube. Let me know in the comment section which is the sweetest part of this update. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, comment, and turn the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. See you in my next one.